everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to prepare omelette with chia seeds, basil seeds and a lot of vegetables. So let's begin with the video. Here I am taking a mixing bowl. Over here I have some chia seeds and basil seeds. I have mixed both the seeds and kept it in this container. I will be using 2 spoons of this. We'll add little water into it, give this a good mix and allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how the seeds look like. They have nicely soaked the water. Here I have some roughly chopped onion, green chilies, capsicum and tomatoes. We'll add everything along with the seeds. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of red chili powder, pinch of black pepper powder and we'll mix it really well. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs into this. You can increase or decrease the quantity of eggs based on the number of people you want to serve. You can also replace the vegetables with whatever you like. Now we'll mix everything well. Here I'm heating up a frying pan. We'll add some oil. Spread the oil and once oil is heated up, we'll pour the mixture. Allow this to cook in low flame. It will take about 10 minutes. Actually, we were already very late for lunch that day, so I flipped it before it was properly cooked. But if you have time, you can wait. And here our chia seeds and basil seeds omelette with vegetables is all ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.